such an easy trick to be a good conversationalist. It comes down to three things. You've either got to be interesting, interested, or funny. If you have a combination of all three, at top tier world class levels, you end up someone like Joe Rogan. But today, one of my closest friends came up with this analogy, and I love it. And I love it because it works so much for me in my life. I can relate to this so much, in that if you are someone who has gone and done super interesting things, people will want to talk to you. They'll want to hear about it, and they'll just be intrigued about how, what, why, and the whole story as to what it was you did and what it looked like to get there. Because so many people won't have done that. And so this can be anything. It could be a business, it could be a sporting achievement, it could be a hobby, an academic achievement, like anything. But having interests is the sole ingredient, I find, that makes it easy to talk to people. And also it's a great way to learn about stuff, and then to be able to talk about things that other people are interested in. And so then this comes to the second thing, which is being interested. Now, one of my best friends from school, one of the only people I'm still friends with actually, who is not an entrepreneur, not necessarily a high achiever because he doesn't want to be, but he is so interested by everything and everyone, it's infectious to have him around, because he asks great questions. He asks the nitty-gritty, and he tries his best to understand and to join in from a place of, oh, I'm going to put myself in your shoes. And it makes it engaging to talk to him because he makes you feel good and validates the things you have done right and questions the things where you're unsure. And it helps you talk through things. Struggling to speak to people, or you want to be better, a better networker, conversationalist, anything like this, salesperson, try those three things. If you're not interesting yet, go and become someone who is interesting. Be interested in lots of stuff. This is a massive trick for dealing with children. Children only care if you show great interest in what they do. And it doesn't have to be all the time. But you go in and you're like, what? No way, show me the thing. And then the last one is to be funny. Now that one I can't teach you so much because I don't know how I do it. I just find wit and humour entertaining. But hopefully, a fun insight for you. At least it was as fun for me to figure this out, or to put these pieces together and share them. So there you go. Hopefully you are interested and have found this interesting. Alright guys, have a great day. Peace.